Hey there, future gold tycoon. Ever thought about investing in a gold IRA but got scared off by the fees? Don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you, with a little humor to sweeten the deal. Oh, and click the link in the description below to get your special discount. All right, let's get into it. First off, there are three main types of fees you'll encounter with a gold IRA: setup fees, storage fees, and maintenance fees. Think of them as the startup costs for your new glittering empire. Setup fees are pretty much what you'd expect. They're like the cover charge to enter a fancy nightclub. These can range from $50 to $500, depending on how exclusive your gold IRA provider wants to feel. Next up, storage fees. This is where things get interesting. You'll need a safe place to stash all that shiny gold, right? So these fees can range from $100 to $300 annually. Think of it as renting a penthouse for your gold bars, complete with tiny butler service. Just kidding about the butler. And finally, maintenance fees. These are the ongoing costs to keep your account in tip-top shape. Usually they range from $75 to $300 a year. Consider this the cost of keeping your gold cozy and well-fed. Now you might be thinking, why so many fees? Well, remember, you're not just buying gold, you're buying peace of mind. And peace of mind comes at a price. Plus, when gold prices go up, and they often do, you'll be laughing all the way to the bank. Now that you're armed with all this fee knowledge, you're ready to dive into the world of gold IRAs. Just remember, always read the fine print and ask questions. A lot of questions. So if you're ready to start your journey to becoming a gold tycoon, click the link in the description below to grab your special offer. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our golden tips. See you in the next video.